Hello everyone. So if you want to add a dual widget clock on your Android home screen to have a better time management in different time zones, follow the simple steps. So first of all, locate any blank space on your home screen. Now hold your finger here and press widgets. After that, scroll down to your clock section, let it expand it, and let's locate the dual clock option. So you can either tap on it and press add, or you can simply drag it with your finger to any desired spot. Let's leave it here. So now you are prompted to choose the second city, because the first city is gonna be set as your location. It will be defined by your location and it's gonna be set here. So for example, let me set it on Ottawa. So set it, press add. Also, in the settings, you can adjust the first city. So let it be Barcelona, for example. Press change. Also, you can adjust the background color, so you can enable day and night colors. It will depend on the day or night in the corresponding cities, or you can make them static. Here you can choose white theme or black theme. You can adjust the transparency. And you can also enable match with dark mode if you are using one. So press save and there you are. Now you have your widget. Once again, you can hold your finger on it and you can drag it freely throughout the whole home screen. Or if you need to change the cities or you want to change the look of it, simply hold your finger again and press settings. And there we are. So you can adjust it, press save again. The settings are applied. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.